Good afternoon.
It is a hot one. It's like 95 degrees and it's 4 p.m.
Yeah,
It's probably hotter earlier. It's nuts.
If there's an afternoon rain that comes through, which doesn't look like it, but if the afternoon rain comes through, it's gonna get even hotter index because of humidity.
Right.
But it took us a long time. We parked in the parking lot at TTC, and it took like probably close to an hour.
Yeah.
Because
it's
it's
the ferry
4:10.
wasn't there.
We waited for a tram, which usually we walk, but we waited for a tram, which took a little bit. And then the ferry, something was going on with the ferry, and it took like, we waited like 20-30 minutes for it to get to the TTC, and it takes like a 10-minute trip, so.
But we're here.
We're here with
ready to go.
Fall decorations. The Earharts are here,
yes,
of
we're
course.
gonna meet up with the Earharts in Adventureland, and just take it easy tonight. Look at this timing right into Country Bear. You excited? Newbies over here, never done it before.
Oh, they heard it, but she don't swear none. She's kind of heavy, don't weigh a ton. She's my woman through and through. I love her only because her heart is true. It's the same way everywhere I found. All the guys turn me on, turn me down. Davy cries, he'll back from tears.
So I will say the craziest part about going with the Earharts on their vacation is Sarah keeps booking fast passes that they have, and I keep forgetting that she's doing that. So like we show up at the park, not thinking that we have any fast passes, and all of a sudden we're like boom, 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 Jungle Cruise, and then what are we doing after Jungle Cruise?
Dumbo or Mumbo.
Fast pass or no?
No.
That'll be it, right? No, we have one more.
Kieran wants to go orbit the Astros. Yeah, we'll see.
We'll get him on. We'll get him on.
No, this is my favorite part of the cruise. I get to point out all my favorite plants. Let's see. That one up there is a hibiscus. Down there is the low biscuits. That one that's kind of like folded over, that's hibiscus. No, this year's Trader Sam. Trader Sam's our head salesman here in the jungle, but recently his sales have been shrinking. You know, so he's got a great deal going on right now. 2 of his heads are the price of just 1 of yours. Anyway, you slice it or dice it, come on ahead.
Surprise at Anti-Gravity's. The candy corn milkshake and soft serve that they serve at the party are available today.
Good thing about the Earharts are that they love specialty things. Look at that cotton candy. That's from the Halloween party, right?
Yeah,
Candy corn, my bad.
but there's
Fooled. Look at that. Ben also got this sharp new hat and new shirt. It's all the cups from Trader Sam's. Ben is all about these Hawaiian shirts while he's on vacation. That is massive. Ooh, here comes the super fans.
What?
Yeah.
Where's mine? You can go get another one.
It's not even Halloween, but it is, I guess.
Oh, that's a Halloween drink?
I think so, but it's not a Halloween party.
It is.
What's
Do you have superpowers? Do you mind control them to give you a Halloween special thing?
No.
Did you go forward in time to Halloween and then come back with a special drink? There's some sort of magic powers at work.
Look, he's got one too.
Wow!
So, I think Ben, Sarah, and I are like conceded to getting old because the kids want to go on teacups, and we're just at the heat. We're not feeling it.
Not so much.
Not so much. Kaylee's asleep, so it's proper etiquette for 3 grown adults to babysit 1 sleeping child. Carolyn's taking the other 2 on the ride. I don't want to get spun today. What'd you think?
I regret that a little, but they liked it great.
What'd you think? Was it fun?
Yeah.
You guys look like you guys were having a blast.
Like
Yeah, Mom looked like she was having the most fun though. You look like... Oh, you were spinning it very fast, I bet.
Okay, you go in first. Awesome. We're up as high as we can go. Woo! Keep your hands in. Ooh, down we go. Up, 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 up. Ah! She's controlling it. I'm so happy. Are you so happy? We're actually leaving early today, but there's fun to be had at the hotel. Yay! Swimming. Beach club. We already missed them.
Don't worry guys, they're going to a minivan and we're going to get our car from the TTC because we're going to the beach club.
Extreme.
I can see the speck. I hate the speck.
The speck can see you.
It can, and it knows it irritates me. We're going to beach club to go swimming, I think.
A lot going on. I need to practice looking at the camera itself.
Stormalong Bay.
Ever heard of it?
Here we come. Oh my Lanta.
Do you understand how long we've been waiting to do this?
We're in Stormalong Bay. We're about to go in this pool that I've literally jumped about for 7 years.
And it's funny because like have we talked about how we booked a night here for the marathon? Or should we not talk about that?
Well, we're staying here for the marathon.
We're staying here for the marathon, so it's like we just needed a reservation and then all of a sudden it happened.
So after the half marathon, you'll find me just basking in this for about 12 hours and I'll get up and get ready for the marathon. So
He doesn't know about it.
now I can't resist it. I'm gonna get the GoPro and dive in this because this is ridiculous. I'll do a walkthrough later or something, but GoPro time. I'm gonna be honest, guys. I was gonna pull this camera out earlier and go all over the place, but that's just not happening. We had too much fun planned. Honestly, how many of us are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All 7 of us, including the 4 adults, were about right there. I think Karen took some footage for about 30 minutes building a sandcastle. This This is our favorite pool now. Sarah agrees.
Wilderness Lodge, I love you, but this is like, how could you
Wilderness
like, don't
Lodge,
have this experience
I love you,
anywhere
I just don't love you as much as this pool.
It's just nice, we have this whole area to ourselves, sitting, relaxing.
Basically by ourselves. Thanks, guys. Thanks. Oh yeah, since we've stalked them so much this vacation, they've been here, what, now 8 days? This is your 8th day? So they've been here 8 days. There's only been 1 day they haven't seen us, so they just put us on the reservation. So we're officially, Brookhart's converted to Earhart's for the week. Bearhart's? Guys, I wanted to change in the bathroom real quick, and right outside of the beach club bathroom, look at this. It's like a what are these called even? Payphone? A payphone graveyard with just these beach club resort ones.
Are you kidding me? You wouldn't be laughing.
So you had fun? You enjoyed it?
Yeah.
And it's only 10:35. We're gonna go home. We're gonna be home by 11 today. Hope Ben and Matt are ready. Oh yeah, maybe. We'll fall asleep on the couch.
Haven't done that in a while.
Nope.
Look at my crazy hair.
Because you went swimming. We're home. It's 11:20. We're not gonna do much besides watch probably some. I wanna watch the bucket list show. Home and leisure travel, whatever.
Traveling home.
Traveling home. So I wanna watch. We have like 5 of those to catch up on. So I think we're just gonna like snuggle up on the couch or in our room or something and watch that. Matt and Ben promise they live here. They already went to bed since they're getting up early to go to church and to Starbucks.
Yeah.
The Earharts wanted to call it an early night because they want a full Epcot day. So
Yeah.
we're
We were
gonna
up a lot of late yesterday.
in the past week.
Yeah.
So we're gonna all gonna try to get some sleep and rest.
Tomorrow's our last day with them. But
They
guess
leave
what?
Monday.
They're coming back in October. So it's not as sad as it will be in
It's
October.
gonna be sad in October
Because Carolyn is expecting a baby. They probably won't be here for
7 or 8 months.
yeah, for a while. So
Like literally the longest. Like we've met them 12 months ago now, and we've seen them like 7 times or 6 times.
no,
5
4.
times, 4 times.
but still good
But 4
trips.
times, but long trips. They've been here 30 days, like 30 nights. So they're the best. We love them. We're gonna miss them, but we'll think about that tomorrow.
Yeah,
It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.